In this video, we'll go beyond availability monitoring and discover how to use the new Relic platform to verify your site is working as expected. We'll explore setting up a new Relic scripted browser monitor to verify your critical execution paths are operational. Our food ordering app has been running smoothly for months. We've even got a dashboard to show how well business is going. We're monitoring and alerting on the golden signals, so we're prepared for everything. But then, one of our developers did a bad deploy, and our checkout button was missing for a whole day before we finally saw a tweet about it. We lost a whole day of business and a whole lot of credibility with our customers. This can't happen again. It's not enough to check that our site is up. We need to verify it's functional too. Luckily, I've discovered New Relic Synthetics scripted browser monitoring. This will let me create a script which will allow me to test the availability and functionality of my site and will let me know if something is not working as expected. I could write a Selenium script based on our documentation, but a simpler way to do this is to use a script recorder. In this example, I'll be using the Selenium IDE for Google Chrome and the New Relic Synthetics formatter for the Selenium IDE. Both of these can be found in the Chrome Web Store. Okay, so I click on the Selenium icon to launch the IDE. Let's create a new project. I'll call this Food Me Project. Next, I'll click on the little plus icon beside the tests to create a new test. Let's call it Test Food Order. Before recording can start, I'll need to specify a URL. I'll start from my customer login page. Then I'll click Start Recording. Now I simply need to follow the flow I want to test. We'll speed through this next part. I'll enter a name, a delivery address, click my Find Restaurants button, apply the pizza filter, choose my restaurant. Angular pizza sounds interesting. I'll pop in my order and then I'll hit the checkout button. Enter my payment details. And finally click the purchase button. Now that I'm done, I'll click the stop recording button. I'll select the test and export it. Oh, where's my New Relic Synthetics export option? I guess I must have forgotten to install the New Relic Synthetics formatter. I'll head over to the Chrome store and get that installed. Now that it's installed, I can see New Relic Synthetics as an export option. I'll export my file and it'll be saved locally on my machine. Let's open it up and copy its contents. Now we'll go to one.newrelic.com and choose Synthetics. Then I'll create a monitor. This will be a scripted browser. I'll give it a name. Choose the locations I care about. Set the schedule. And then click the Next Write Your Script button. I'll paste in the script I exported. Click Validate to verify it works, and there we go. I click the Create Monitor button and we are done. Our results will start to stream in a minute or so, depending on the schedule. I can explore these results to get a detailed breakdown of the page load, and I can view the script log. The log is the output of my script, which is really useful for debugging. So what happens now if someone accidentally deletes my purchase button? Well, let's see. After 1 minute, a failure occurs. We can see this failure has occurred because we can't find that button. I can view my script log again if I need to debug. I can also see a screenshot of the page in question. That's my shopping cart. I better fix that. Once it's fixed, I can head back to the summary page, and I should hopefully see the failures have stopped. There we go, successful results again. And that's it. In a few simple steps, you can set up a sophisticated scripted browser monitor to let you know if your site stops working as expected.